What's the meaning of black bun? Black bun. Black bun.
Black bun. Black bun. Black bun is a Scottish pastry that is traditionally served on Hogmanay, which is New Year's Eve in Scotland. The bun is typically made with dark molasses, raisins, currants, and spices like cinnamon and ginger. It gets its signature dark color from the use of treacle, which is a type of molasses. Black bun has a dense texture and is often sliced thin and served with butter. It has been a part of Scottish cuisine for hundreds of years and is thought to have originated in the 16th century. Today, it remains a popular part of Scottish New Year's celebrations.